Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my African Banga soup. This is actually a very delicious delicacy back in Africa. Many tribes use this as one of their traditional soup, and from where I come from, this is one of our traditional soup too. So if you want to see how I make this Banga soup, it's well detailed and very easy to learn. So if you want to know how I make this soup, please keep watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Lord, I've come to say thank you for your goodness, your mercies, your kindness. Thank you, Jesus. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I start to count my blessings, till eternity it will not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I start to count my blessings, till eternity it will not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh.
So right here, I finished prepping for all the stuff that I'm going to be using for this Banga soup. So I'm going to go ahead and show you each of the items I'm going to be using. So just in case you want to buy them or you want to make this soup, so you know exactly what you're going to be buying.
And if I start to count my blessings, till eternity it will not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Thank you, Jesus. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, yeah, yeah, say Baba, yeah. That's why I say Baba, oh, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, hey, Jehovah, you good. I've searched through all the earth, but I've found no one like you. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. For all the times I did you wrong, you never turned your back on me. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. I've searched through all the earth, but I found no one like you. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. For all the times I did you wrong, you never turned your back on me. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Oh, say I've come to say, Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say Jehovah, you're good. Jehovah, you're kind. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. That's why we call you
Jehovah Shammah,
Hey, hey, hey.
Jehovah Rapha,
Rapha,
Jehovah Jireh,
my provider,
Jehovah
my creator,
Jehovah Shalom,
my God, my peace,
Jehovah Yahweh,
all powerful God,
Jehovah Nissi,
my God, my banner,
Jehovah Siki,
my God, my
Jehovah
righteousness,
Sabaoth,
Sabbath,
Jehovah Rohi,
Rohi,
Jehovah
the
Adonai,
Lord over all.
Jehovah El Elyon,
Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say, always say Baba, Eshe Baba, always say Baba, Jehovah you good. That's why I
Hi guys, so this is the final look. Eating this with pounded yam. This is what the banga soup looks like. As you can see, it looks delicious and yummy. I hope you guys try this out, and don't forget to leave me a comment at the bottom section of this video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay safe.
for all you've done for me. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say always say